Doon ang ako naman doon.
Davao egg and Davao corned beef. And syempre, Davao rice.
This is my favorite.
Davao plate, fork and spoon.
Davao
The
plate.
best talaga sa Davao.
Palakas. Welcome to Davao.
Magkwento sa mga kiri, may mga parin-parin, yun ay mga ulam. Tempe.
Sabihin mo sa kanya pag start ka na.
Hindi, tatlong trial sa. We're now here in Lola.
Can't nobody get up in my car today. Backseat, feeling like a charter plane. Bumping so the shocker charger to the game. Dripping like I'm whipping marmalade. Look at the way that I'm shining. I don't be checking the mileage. She said, how much is that rolling? I said, don't worry, I'm timeless. Watching Toy Story 3, that's a great fucking movie. City of Jimmy Kirk, Quincy. City of me, Eddie and Bruce Lee.
These are really good.
King of the road, I drive slow like boom. And I just switched over to Geico like boom. Celebrating these life goals, but you ain't getting no ride home. I be riding through the town, my music loud.
I'm gonna try.
Windows down, yeah, you can hear me now. I turn it up, I need that bass. And my chain so bright, can't see my face. I be riding through the town, town, town. 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 I be riding through the town. All eyes on me now. I be riding through C-Town, taking pics when I eat out. Girls ask me to freestyle. Neighbors hate it when I speed out. I ain't turning these beats down. GPS and I reroute. Shut the
Medyo,
doors and I be.
mga bes, sulit ba? Ikaw, Marty ka eh. Sulit ba? Ano gusto mo, soft o hard? Work it! Work it! Go direct!
Ulit. Ito ba? Hello! Ito yung free for the group pinabigay niya po ni Lola para sa inyo lahat. Libre! Thank you! So free.
Pamilya po ni Lola. Marshmallow. We are now here at Eden Garden.
Park.
Huh?
Eden Nature Park.
We'll have lunch here. And then after this, uwi na.
Waking up, midnight November, and you're still in my bed. It's kinda rough, 'cause since I met you, there's things we've never said. So if I go,
Woo! Playground! Let's go! Damn! Go! Uy! Isa-isa lang! There you go. What's up, guys? The best part of the day.
Hindi na.
Ano open mo? Oo, open!
Kung sakalan ng pag-ibig, pwede ba yan?
Grabe no, nakakatakot. Sabi nga nila, yung mga guwapings, takot daw sa heights. Mali, delay. Ulit.
Sana inikot mo na lang.
Hindi kaya nung equipment.
Yan guys, tatry na po ni Nona at Nina. Po,
Sino ang
ilagay po
maiihi?
sila pataas hanggang langit po. Tapos ibabagsak po sila dito.
Ito po yung mga pambabaw ng
Ito sila kanina, pero ngayon.
Nag-NDO ng fear sa baba.
Overcoming fear, bro. Oo, simula ngayon, di na ako mag-NDO.
Ang ta... One, two, three.
Congrats, lamang na kayo sa experience.
Distraction ba?
Ba't hindi nyo ginawa yan nung unang bitaw?
Ano daw, direct? Ano daw?
Wala.
Bakit ano?
Next ka na daw, next ka na.
Uy, late na
Ang
tayo.
sinasabi niya, bakit hindi nyo ginawa nung unang bitaw?
Uy, alas press na. May awarding tayo.
2,000 years later.
Maganda naman yung tinugtog niya. Thank you po.
Thank you, Inday.
Mano cha-cha, ngunit ang paborito ay magsayaw mo ng limbo. Noon pa man ay sinabi na sa iyo, kahit hindi na uso ay ito lang ang alam ko. Magkahawakan natin kamay at walang kamalay-malay.
2 hours later.
Hanggang sa
Celebrating these life goals, but you ain't getting no ride home. I be riding through the town, my music loud, windows